Well, hi there. This is Wesley. So, like the sound of the waters rushing down through the mountains of prayer. I hope your day's been uplifted through the fire and that love, through the prayer, through your heart and through my heart. Like the sound of the waters just rushing and running down through the creek or even rushing down through the mountains through the love of Jesus Christ, of his fire and I love. And I just hope that your day is being uplifted like the yellow blossom flower and that love around you and around me. And may God be the glory, and God bless. Bye-bye.